Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make coconut oil from the comfort of your home. My name is Nsinem, Ukpoho, and I'm so happy to have you here. All you need is your coconut and your grater. Your grater, and of course the knife that you're going to use to open your coconut. You don't need any fancy grater, just that what I have is a very traditional homemade grater. Alright, so I split it open by tapping it gently, or not so gently, on as in around the bottom part of the coconut. You keep doing that, going round, it will open by itself. It's very easy, and you have to be careful so you don't hurt yourself. Alright, so when you're done, you make sure you take out the meat from the coconut and grate it using your grater. Like you can see, this grater has seen a lot of work. Alright, so you just do it gently and make sure you don't hurt yourself. So this is the result of the grating. This is the coconut I have grated, and when you're done with this, you go straight into washing it. You can make use of hot water, you can make use of warm water, you can just use your plain old tap water and wash your coconut. Make sure you squeeze it so that you can get all the oil from the coconut meat. Alright, so this is the result of what we have. This is when you're done, you make sure that you sieve it out. Take out the shaft and make sure that you keep it to sit for a few hours, at least 5 to 6 hours, and this is what you have. Make sure you use a small spoon that is perforated and take out the top part. It has fermented, and this is what you have. You just take it out, put it into a pot that you're going to heat. You're going to put on your stove or your gas. Just take out the top part with the perforated spoon, and then you're done. When you're done with that, this is the result of what we had from our coconut after taking out the top part and leaving the water right there. Alright, so when you're done with that, you put it on your stove or your gas, and you heat it up, and gently at some point you see oil coming a little bit to the top, and the water will dry out, and then you can sieve it out and you have your coconut oil. So if you have learned something from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, so that I know that you liked it. I can make content like this. Okay, thank you so much for watching.